Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Are Audi's cars good after 100,000 miles? It is indispensable that anyone who wants to buy a vehicle would always go for a very reliable car. You might be wondering if Audis are good cars. However, German manufacturers produce reliable vehicles with instinctual interiors and modern styling. Audis are reliable cars as much as you maintain them properly, as they could even serve you beyond 200,000 miles. Notwithstanding that Audis are overall dependable, they are costly to maintain since it is evident that they could come with some manufacturing faults as they are rated to have suffered from flaws of the gas-powered engine and VW Dieselgate scandal. On the other hand, more than the factory recommended maintenance cost goes into making your Audi go on the road. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. How many miles will an Audi A3 last? Audi's German's automaker is known for luxurious cars, building sleek. Perchance they had never received the highest reliable rating or ranking showing that it can withstand the test of time. Notwithstanding, Audi A3 is a good vehicle with a mileage of about 200,000 miles. This research is on the information stated on the websites of Car Gurus, Audi's Owner Forum, and Auto Trader. You should replace most parts or components when your Audi A3 reaches at least 200,000 miles. Although, this statement does not mean your Audi A3 cannot last longer than 200,000 miles. The most crucial thing to have at heart is that the ownership habit could also determine how many miles your Audi A3 can last. Additionally, regular oil changes and sticking to the service intervals can add more miles to your vehicle's mileage. What's Audi's 100,000 miles service cost? It is evident that Audi has about 100,000 to 110,000 miles, and your vehicle's timing belt and related parts should be replaced, according to the Audi World Forum. The water pump should do it simultaneously with the timing belt. Hence, changing the timing belt and other parts I have mentioned might cost about $1,600 to $2,400, depending on the parts and labor costs. I recommend you go to smaller shops where you would do it for less compared to an Audi dealer, or if you are pretty knowledgeable on repair and servicing, a DIY should be helpful. What is good mileage for Audi A3? Since Audi A3 is known for reliability, it should have a good mileage of at least 200,000 miles with proper or regular oil changes and repetitive servicing. In the same vein, Audi engines are well-built pieces of kit. However, A3 is not an exception as it uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-reliable cylinder. Is the Audi A3 a reliable car? Audi Model A3 has received good reviews for reliability, hence it is not the most reliable Audi model vehicle by any means, but for the luxury compact vehicle segment, it is highly rated. The reliability rank of Audi is above average according to Consumer Reports. Perchance, I believe that is a fair assessment, in any case. On the other hand, the most prone problem of the Audi A3 is only the airbag issue. Although, this airbag light issue that constantly goes off has not been addressed promptly by Audi. Nevertheless, these are some reliability reviews of the Audi A3 vehicles. 1. Kelley Blue Book's Consumer Rating Index is 4.3, above average. 2. J.D. Power has 86/100ths for Audi A3, this rating is above the mean. 3. Consumer Reports has a reliability rating of 3.05.0 for the Audi A3. 4. Repair Pal has a rating of 3.5/0 for reliability and 4/17 for luxurious compact vehicles for the Audi A3 cars. How many miles is too much for an Audi? If you are looking for longevity in your Audi, your mileage or range distance is vital. However, the extent you could cover in all models of Audi, on average, is about 100,000 to 400,000 miles. Your Audi vehicle shouldn't have a high mileage of more than 400,000 miles. Is Audis reliable with high miles? Audis are reliable, but with high mileage, a few of them are. Although a few have mileage above 200,000 miles, most Audis are not vehicles to be stretched or made to move with a high mile. Going on high miles would cause fast wearing and tearing of vital engine parts and would cost more dollars to maintain, repair, and replace, when necessary, on most models. So far, no matter how outstanding an automaker's reputation could be, indeed, there will be some of its model years that would not be reliable with high miles. Hence, most Audi vehicles are not trustworthy with high mileage. Is Audi A3 expensive to maintain? Generally, A typical issue with the Audi is that as the car ages, it will incur more and more wear and tear, meaning that you would need maintenance, repairs and replacement. It has been evident that Audi's A3 is a luxury car, and its parts and servicing-like manner have become more costly than a regular vehicle. Hence, on average, maintaining an Audi A3 would cost you $741 yearly for repairs and maintenance. Although, the average for other traditional cars in various segments is estimated to be $652. You can see that Audi A3 is luxurious to maintain. Another factor that makes Audi A3 expensive is that the maintenance is by an autonomous mechanic, which is explicit in German vehicles. I would advise you to service your Audi A3 vehicles with Audi within the warranty period to a cost as low as you can. Are Audi's cars expensive to fix? Yes, of course they are. Audi is expensive because the Audi model requires more money to get their parts, unlike the regular vehicle. The labor cost is high since only a few specialized mechanics repair and maintains Audi models apart from Audi services. Notwithstanding, an average Audi have a maintenance cost of $113 to $123 for every 10,000 miles apart from other necessary repair and replacements you would do before the 10,000 miles mark. In conclusion, Audis are reliable and luxurious sports vehicles with just a few models in place. Basically, on innovation, design, and build quality, Audi is highly ranked, but Audi vehicles suffer a lot, such as wear and tear, airbag light issues, spark plug faults, timing belt issues, and axle joint issues, to mention a few. However, Audi models can last up to 400,000 miles but not more than, though their general mileage is between 100,000 to 400,000 miles. It is evident that each model of Audi differs in its mileage and how long it can last. Proper maintenance and care of your Audi are crucial for your vehicle to reach a higher mileage. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.